Introducing Sutton Entertainment. Beautiful consoles, entertainment wall, matching occasional. Gorgeous, gorgeous wall system here. We have an 80-inch console with 3 drawers. 1, 2, 3. With also 2 sections, 2 door sections with wire management. Also available are the flanking pier cabinets or bookcases with doors, adjustable shelf, here. Can be used independently or as a wall. Other consoles, an 85-inch console here with a fireplace, and a 65-inch console with 6 drawers that can also be used with the flanking pier cabinets. So basically you have 3 pier walls that you can make, starting at, with a 65-inch console and the piers, you would be at 115 inches for a wall, using this in the center. The 85-inch unit, you would be 135 inches. And the 80-inch console would make a 131-inch wall front. Along with this, you have the occasional tables. And again, like we do on a lot of our occasional table, it's on a roll, so you have casters on it. It makes it mobile. Again, here you have a pull-through drawer like we had on Alexander. It's designed for the occasional. So pull through. One drawer goes from one side to the other to open. Then here we have a full 1 drawer end table. Nice deep drawer, wide. In the back you have your power with the outlets. Chair side, you can see how you use this, floating in a room. Drink holder.
You guys do scoop prices?
Slides to and from, slide it back, take it out, and shelf on the bottom. A great. Could be used as a sofa table, a writing desk. Pull it out, you got a drop down here. Beautiful foyer console, or it could be used as a sofa console with benches to tuck underneath. So basically any room in the house, it could be turned around, you can use a mirror over top of it, could be a vanity, multi-function.